watch your step getting on and off. Please be careful while riding the escalator.
For your child's safety, do not allow them to play on or near the escalator.
Please face forward while riding this escalator.
Next pass to the Jamaica station will be next. Once again, after Jamaica, this train makes Lynbrook, Rockville, Center, Baldwin, Freeport, Merritt, Belmore, Wantagh, Seaford, Massapequa Park, Amityville, Copiague, Lindenhurst, and Babylon. Change at Jamaica. Train to Oyster Bay, the first stop will be Minneola. Attention to collective, please throw that toggle through in the fourth car.
This station is Jamaica.
As you leave the train, please step over the gap between the train and the platform.
Arriving on track 7. Train to Oyster Bay will be on track 8. Those doors will open first. Once again, Oyster Bay train on track 8. Those doors will open first.
This station is Jamaica. This is the train to Babylon.
Local train to Babylon, local train to Babylon, Lynbrook, Rockville, Center, Baldwin, Freeport, Merritt, Belmore, Wantagh, Seaford, Massapequa Park, Amityville, Copiague, Lindenhurst, and Babylon. Massapequa passengers, you must be in the rear 6 cars.
Yeah, he's like the money. He's like 10, so like.
Babylon, local train to Babylon.